Welcome back to the channel HBNR families. So in this video I'm going to show you how to stitch the V-neck shirt professionally. If you are new on this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified if I drop new video. Don't forget to like this video. Let's get started and let's see how things will go. Thanks for watching. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to attach the handband to the sleeve like this. I'm going to fold it like this and I'm going to place it on the sleeve. So I'm going to stretch the band a bit. It is the band that I'm going to stretch. I'm not going to stretch the sleeve. So this is how it looks like. So I'm going to stretch the band a bit and not the sleeve. So when I'm done, I'm going to do a top stitch on it like this. I'm going to sew in like a teeth of machine foot in like this. Now I'm going to make a top stitch on it like this. So when I'm done with the top stitching, this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to join the cloth together. I'm going to attach the sleeve to the armhole. So I will make sure the center I notch on the sleeve is matched with the shoulder seam area. So when I'm done with the joining of both sleeve, I'm going to join the side seam area from top to bottom. Now when I'm done with that, the next thing is to attach the neckband to the neck. So here I'm going to stitch my V-neck band. So I'm going to first measure the V-neck lines. So it's equivalent to 11 inches. 11 multiplied by 2, it will gives me 22 inches. So I'm going to deduct 2 inches from 22, which will gives me 20 inches. So I'm going to mark 10 inches on fold as well. So after marking it, you need to pay full attention to this area. I marked 0.75 here, which is 3/4 of an inch. So and I'm going to mark it at the center of the neckband. So the neckband is 2 inches and I'm going to it will locate at the 1 inches because I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to start my stitches here to reach with the 3/4 of an inch I marked inward. So I will flip it like this and I'm going to stitch it down as well. So I'm going to notch it at the center area like this, and I'm going to fold it. After folding it, I'm going to stitch it. I'm going to stitch it just to hold it down like this. So I'm finding the center of the V-neck line. So I notch the center of it. So pay full attention to this area. So the V-neck corner of the cloth should be placed on the V-neck of the neckband like this. So when I reach the exact V-neck spot, I'm going to turn it over like this. So let's see, maybe it's located at the V-neck spot. As you can see that it looks accurate and perfect. So now I'm going to join the V-neck round the neck like this. So I'm going to notch the center back of the neck. I'm going to notch the center back of the neck, and I'm going to place the center back of the neckband I notch. I'm going to place it there, so it should match with each other. And I'm going to stretch the neckband to reach with the neck. So far I've deducted 2 inches from it. So this is how it will looks like after the sewing. So it's not yet looking great, so I need to make a top stitch on the V-neck as well, and also to attach back tape to it. So let's go and do that. So now this is how it looks like, and it will look great after the stitches I need to do after I'm done with it. So as you can see at the back side of the cloth, at the back neck, starting from the shoulder seam area, so I'm attaching my back tape there. And also I reach the second shoulder seam area, I'm going to stop at that area as well. So I'm going to turn it like this, and also I'm going to run the stitches on it. So I'm done with the back neck. As you can see that it's looking great. Now I need to make a stitch for the front side as well. So I'm sewing in just a teeth of sewing machine foot like this. So I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to make a top stitch on it. So I'm going to start my top stitching here. So after the sewing, this is how it looks like. As you can see, it looks perfect after the ironing of the neck. So this is how it looks like. It looks perfect and accurate. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly do and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop new video.